Hello, my dear students. As we all know that lawyers are always in great demand. So let's discuss the top ranking colleges of law. So for number 1 we have National Law School of India University, Bengaluru. Number 2 West Bengal National University of Judicial Science, Calcutta. Number 3 National Law Institute University, Bhopal. Number 4 Gujarat National Law University, Gandhinagar. Number 5 Symbiosis Law College, Pune. Number 6 Hidayatullah National Law University, Nawa Raipur. Number 7 Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia National Law University, Lucknow. Number 8 Faculty of Law, BHU, Varanasi. Number 9 National Law University, Odisha, Cuttack. And number 10 ILS Law College, Pune. So these are top 10 colleges of law in 2021. And if you want to pursue your Bachelor's of Law degree, that is LLB, then you can go with these top 10 colleges. Now we are moving to our second list, that is top 10 private law colleges. Here on number 1 we have Symbiosis Law College, Pune. Number 2 ILS Law College, Pune. Number 3 Bharatiya Vidyapeeth Law College, Pune. Number 4 School of Law, Christ University, Bengaluru. Number 5 Army Institute of Law, Mohali. Number 6 Lloyd Law College, Greater Noida. Number 7 Kirit P. Mehta School of Law, Mumbai. Number 8 Institute of Law, Nirma University, Ahmedabad. Number 9 Ramaiah College of Law, Bengaluru. Number 10 School of Law, University of Petroleum, Dehradun. So these are top 10 private colleges for LLB. Now we are moving to our third list, that is top 10 government law colleges. So here on number 1 we have National Law School of India University, Bengaluru. Number 2 West Bengal National University, Calcutta. Number 3 National Law Institute University, Bhopal. Number 4 Gujarat National Law University, Gandhinagar. Number 5 Hidayatullah National Law University, Nawa Raipur. Number 6 Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia National Law University, Lucknow. Number 7 Faculty of Law, BHU, Varanasi. Number 8 National Law University, Odisha, Cuttack. Number 9 National University of Advanced Legal Study, Kochi. Number 10 Faculty of Law, University of Lucknow, Lucknow. So these are top 10 government colleges of law. Hope you have taken a screenshot of it. Now we are moving to our another list, that is top 10 colleges with best value for money. These are those colleges of law where the best placements are given to the students. So here on number 1 we have Faculty of Law, BHU, Varanasi. Number 2 Kishan Chand Chelaram Law College, Mumbai. Number 3 Faculty of Law, Jamia Millia Islamia, New Delhi. Number 4 Vaikunt Baliga College of Law, Udupi. Number 5 Shrimati Kamlaben Gambhirchand Shah Law College, Mumbai. Number 6 Faculty of Law, AMU, Aligarh. Number 7 ILS Law College, Pune. Number 8 South Calcutta Law College, Calcutta. Number 9 Bharatiya Vidyapeeth New Law College, Pune. Number 10 VM Salgochar College of Law, Panaji. So these are top 10 colleges with best value for money. Now we are moving to another list, that is top 10 colleges with lowest fee structure. So here on number 1 we have Faculty of Law, BHU, Varanasi. with complete fees of entire LLB 6,846 rupees. Number 2, Ahmednagar Jila Maratha Vidyalaya, Ahmednagar. Number 3, Manikchand Pahade Law College. Number 4, Kishanchand Chelaram Law College, Mumbai. Number 5, Shrimati Kamlaben Gambhirchand Shah Law College, Mumbai. Number 6, Vaikunth Baliga College of Law, Udupi. Number 7, South Calcutta Law College, Calcutta. Number 8, Faculty of Law, Jamia Millia Islamia. Number 9, KLE Societies SA Manvi Law College, Gadag. Then Faculty of Law, AMU, Aligarh. So these are their fee structures I have mentioned over here. Now we are moving to the top 10 emerging colleges of law. That is our next list. So here on number 1 we have West Bengal National University, Calcutta, National Law University, Bhopal, Gujarat National Law University, Gandhinagar, Hidayatullah National Law University, Nawa Raipur, Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia National Law University, Lucknow, National Law University, Odisha, Cuttack, National University of Advanced Legal Study, Kochi, Chanakya National Law University, Patna, School of Law, Christ University, Bengaluru, Army Institute of Law, Mohali. So these are those colleges which have set up after Sun 2000 and they have performed really well. Now we are moving to the new entrants. They are those colleges which have bagged the position among the first 25 colleges of law in India. On number 1, we have West Bengal National University of Judicial Science, Calcutta. Number 2, National Law Institute University, Bhopal. Number 3, Hidayatullah National Law University, Nawa Raipur. They have made their place in top 25 colleges of India. So these were the list of best law colleges I have shared with you. Thank you. Hope you have liked the video.